Women respect men who do this for them without asking. Let me tell you something that's going to sting, but it's the truth you need to hear. Most men have been lied to about women their entire lives. You've been told that if you chase harder, text more, buy flowers, and show more interest, she'll respect you more. You've been programmed to believe that being the nice guy who does everything she asks will win her heart. But here's the brutal reality. Every time you chase, every time you overinvest, every time you put her on a pedestal before she's earned it, you're destroying any chance of earning her genuine respect. Women don't respect men who beg for their attention. They don't respect men who drop everything for them before they've proven they're worth it. And they definitely don't respect men who have no backbone, no boundaries, and no sense of their own value. But here's what's going to change everything for you. There's one powerful shift that flips this entire dynamic. One approach that makes women genuinely respect you on a level most men will never experience. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share will transform how women see you forever. The foundation of respect: you must respect yourself. First, women cannot respect a man who doesn't respect himself. If you don't value your own time, energy, and presence, why would she? When you constantly make yourself available at her beck and call, cancel your plans for hers, and say yes to everything she wants, you're telling her your life has no value. Picture two guys interested in the same woman. Guy 1 texts her good morning daily, responds within minutes, agrees with everything, and rearranges his schedule for her. Guy 2 has his own life, goals, and interests. He enjoys talking to her, but he's not sitting by his phone waiting. He has opinions, challenges her thoughts, and sometimes he's unavailable because he's actually doing something meaningful. Which guy does she respect more? It's not even close. The second guy represents something rare, a man who knows his worth. Women are constantly testing men to figure out if you're the real deal or just pretending to be confident. When you fail by being too available and having no standards, you're failing the basic requirement for respect. Self-respect isn't about arrogance. It's understanding that you bring value to relationships and that value shouldn't be given freely to someone who hasn't earned it. When you start respecting yourself, women start respecting you too. Stop trying to convince her and start being worth. Most men focus on convincing women they're worth dating instead of actually becoming worth dating. You're selling yourself like a used car salesman, listing your qualities, explaining why she should choose you, practically begging her to see your value. High-value women don't want to be convinced. They want to be impressed. When you're constantly trying to convince her how great you are, you're proving the opposite. Your value should be obvious through your actions and lifestyle, that she naturally wants to be part of it. Instead of spending energy convincing her you're worth her time, spend it becoming the kind of man high-quality women gravitate toward. Work on your goals, develop skills, build your social circle, take care of your health. When you're genuinely improving and building a life you're proud of, you won't need to convince anyone. Here's what this looks like. Instead of sending paragraphs about your feelings, show her through actions that you're a man with direction. Instead of always being free when she wants to hang out, actually have things going on that matter. Instead of agreeing with everything to avoid conflict, have your own opinions and confidence to express them. Women respect men who have something to offer beyond romantic interest. They respect men who would still be living fulfilling lives even if she wasn't in the picture. When you become that man, women start chasing you instead. Master the art of selective attention. Most men think giving constant attention shows how much they care. But attention without scarcity has no value. When you're always available, always responding immediately, always making her your priority, your attention becomes worthless because it's expected rather than earned. Anything valuable in life has scarcity. When you give your attention freely to every woman who shows minimal interest, you're teaching her it has no value. But when you're selective, when you give attention as a reward for positive behavior, suddenly it becomes something she wants to earn. Let me give you an example. She texts something disrespectful. The typical guy immediately responds, trying to smooth things over, maybe even apologizing for something he didn't do wrong. But a man who understands his value simply doesn't respond. He gives attention to people who treat him with respect and withdraws it from those who don't. This creates a dynamic where she associates your attention with positive interactions and realizes negative behavior results in your absence. She begins modifying her behavior naturally because she values your presence. The key is consistency. You can't be selective sometimes, then go back to being overly available when you're insecure. Women will test this boundary repeatedly, and you need to maintain it firmly but kindly. When you do, you'll be amazed at how much more respect you receive. Create value through your absence. This might be the hardest concept for men to understand, but your absence can often create more attraction than your presence. When you're always around, always available, always the solution to her problems, you become common, predictable, and boring. But when you have a life that sometimes takes you away, when you have goals requiring focus, when you have friends and activities that don't revolve around her, you become interesting again. You become someone she thinks about when you're not there, someone she looks forward to seeing. This isn't about playing hard to get, it's about having a life worth living that doesn't revolve entirely around any one person. When she realizes you're not sitting around waiting for her to give you purpose, she starts seeing you as a man with options and value. Here's a real scenario. You've been dating for months and you notice you're always initiating contact and planning dates. Instead of continuing this pattern, you pull back slightly. You stop texting good morning every day. You make plans with friends instead of keeping your schedule open. You focus on a project important to you. What happens next might surprise you. Instead of losing interest, she becomes more interested. She starts wondering what you're up to. She reaches out more. She becomes more engaged when you do spend time together because that time feels special rather than guaranteed. Speak through actions, not words. Women have heard every line, every promise, every declaration 1,000 times before. Words are cheap because any man can say anything, but your actions tell the real story about who you are. This is why women respect men who show rather than tell, who demonstrate value through consistent behavior rather than empty promises. Most men try to create attraction through talking. They explain feelings, make grand declarations, promise the world. But high value men understand their actions, do the talking. They don't tell a woman they're confident, they demonstrate confidence. They don't claim to be reliable, they show up consistently. They don't promise they're different, they actually behave differently. Instead of telling her you're ambitious, she sees you working toward goals. Instead of saying you're confident, she observes you handling challenges with composure. Instead of claiming you're independent, she notices you have a full life that doesn't require her validation. This extends to handling relationship problems. Instead of long conversations about issues, you address them through behavior. If she's being disrespectful, you don't lecture about respect, you simply withdraw attention until she adjusts. If she's testing boundaries, you don't explain them, you enforce them calmly. Women respect men comfortable with silence, who don't fill every moment with words, who understand sometimes the most powerful response is no response. When your actions consistently demonstrate who you are, you never have to tell anyone about your worth. It becomes obvious. Maintain your standards without apology. Here's something that will separate you from 90% of men immediately. Most guys are so afraid of losing a woman's interest that they compromise their standards, ignore red flags, and accept treatment they know they don't deserve. They think that having standards will drive women away, but the opposite is true. Women respect men who have standards because it shows they respect themselves. When you have clear standards for how you expect to be treated and you maintain those standards consistently, you're communicating something powerful. You're saying that you know your worth, you won't accept less than you deserve, and you'd rather be alone than be with someone who doesn't appreciate what you bring to the table. This doesn't mean being impossible to please or looking for perfection. It means knowing what behavior you will and won't tolerate, what values are non-negotiable for you, and what kind of treatment you require in any relationship. When you communicate these standards clearly through your actions and stick to them regardless of the consequences, women begin to see you as a man of integrity. Let me give you an example that most men struggle with. She starts showing up late to dates consistently, canceling plans at the last minute, or treating your time as less valuable than hers. The typical response is to make excuses for her behavior, to accommodate it, or to have a long conversation about how it makes you feel. But a man with standards handles this differently. He doesn't argue about it or try to convince her to change. He simply stops investing his time and energy in someone who doesn't value it. He might give her one clear opportunity to correct the behavior, but if it continues, he moves on without drama or explanation. This approach accomplishes several things. First, it demonstrates that you value yourself enough to require basic respect. Second, it shows that you have options and aren't desperately clinging to any one person. Third, it often motivates her to improve her behavior because she realizes she's at risk of losing someone valuable. The key is to maintain your standards without being angry, vindictive, or dramatic about it. You're not punishing her, you're simply choosing to spend your time and energy on people who appreciate it. This calm, consistent approach to maintaining standards is incredibly attractive because it shows emotional maturity and self respect. The ultimate shift from proving your worth to living your worth. This brings us to the final and most important shift that will transform how women see you. Stop trying to prove your worth to others and start living your worth for yourself. When you make this shift, everything changes. You stop chasing validation. You stop trying to convince people to choose you. And you start building a life so fulfilling that others naturally want to be part of it. Living your worth means making decisions based on your own values and goals rather than what you think will impress others. It means pursuing your passions, developing your skills, building meaningful relationships, and creating a lifestyle that reflects who you truly are. When you're genuinely focused on becoming the best version of yourself, you stop needing external validation to feel confident and secure. Women can sense this shift immediately. They can tell the difference between a man who's performing to get their approval and a man who's genuinely comfortable with himself. They're attracted to men who have their own mission, their own purpose, their own reason for existing. That doesn't depend on female validation. Here's what happens when you make this shift. You stop checking your phone every 5 minutes to see if she texted back. You stop analyzing every interaction to figure out if she likes you. You stop changing your behavior to try to please her. Instead, you focus on your own growth, your own goals, your own happiness, and paradoxically, this makes you infinitely more attractive. When you're living your worth instead of trying to prove it, you become magnetic. People want to be around someone who's genuinely happy, confident, and purposeful. Women especially are drawn to men who seem complete on their own, who would be fine with or without them, who have something meaningful happening in their lives. This is the secret that most men never figure out. The moment you stop needing anyone else's approval to feel good about yourself is the moment you become truly attractive. When you're no longer chasing validation, people start chasing you. When you're no longer trying to convince anyone of your worth becomes undeniable. So here's my challenge to you. Look at your current approach to dating and relationships honestly. Are you chasing or being chased? Are you trying to prove your worth or living your worth? Are you seeking validation or giving value? The answer to these questions will tell you everything you need to know about why you're getting the results you're getting. If you've been the guy who chases, who overinvests, who compromises his standards to keep someone around, it's time for a change. Start respecting yourself enough to require respect from others. Build a life so compelling that people want to be part of it rather than trying to convince them to let you be part of theirs. Become the kind of man who naturally earns respect rather than begging for it. The women who are worth your time will recognize and appreciate this shift immediately. They'll respect you for having standards, for knowing your worth, for being genuinely confident rather than just pretending to be. And the women who don't appreciate these qualities aren't women you want in your life anyway. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these principles hit home for you. Have you been chasing respect or earning it? What changes are you going to make starting today? Your transformation begins the moment you decide you're worth more than you've been settling for.